Hi, good day. My name is Julio Vargas, and today I'm going to make this tutorial to show you how you can use Instagram from your laptop, from your PC. For example, you write instagram.com, you may right click on the board and you inspect. Then we're going to show you this. You're going to click in the second icon, that is the mobile, and you're going to refresh your page. I'm going to show you this. Go to your account. You can see. You want to check if you can refresh. And you scroll down. I'm going to show you the icon to upload picture. You want to click here. Now you can, from your PC, you can upload all your pictures that you want to share. Now we're going to take one of these pictures. One weight loss training. Go to edit the picture and we press continue. Put one backslash. Weight loss training. I'm going to share this picture. Now you can see the picture that I shared. Yoga burn. Weight loss training. For example, you have one website and you want to redirect the person that are interested in your post. You want to make something like that. Write something like this. Then we're going to check my website. I want to copy and I'm going to use bit.ly to make one short link. Going to paste. When you paste this link, you're going to click and create. And bit.ly going to give this short link for you. I'm going to save. You can share this in Twitter. I'm going to share in Twitter. The direct traffic from Twitter to my website too. And then I come from here. I'm going to copy to my clipboard. Then I'm coming through the description that I made. I'm going to paste. I'm going to publish. that's it. This is how you can use your Instagram account from your PC. You can make some description in your post, some link to redirect the traffic to your website. If in your website you have some affiliation offers, you can get some money from your website. Like this is one of my websites. You can see there are 1,300 shares in Pinterest, in Facebook 29, and others 21. You can see on my website there is some ads and earning money with this advertising or Google. You can follow this ad on model from keto diet related to my content. That's it for today. I only would like to invite you to see the next tutorial that I'm going to make in the next week. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.